with online video, and on this channel, sometimes we do YouTube strategy tips. So right off the bat, I just wanna show some real life examples that we've been using. Softbox is designed for advanced video creators and photographers. The kit itself includes a light stand and a softbox and a versatile light source with a daylight color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 50.
It is dimmable, which for me, that's a must-have for video lights because it really allows you to control the brightness and the darkness of your main light source. Not only is it dimmable, but it is also by color, which is fantastic because this means you can actually control the color temperature of the light to match your environment. Plus, the dials on the light itself are very smooth and
you can actually control this 100% wirelessly. Now, I have read through some of the reviews and people say that
when it sets up and then even to break down, it's just as easy. And more than anything, just produces a super cool cinematic soft light and is awesome not only just for videos, but for photography as well. All in all, this is